How to remix any song with Suno AI. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can remix any song using Suno AI. So let's jump right in. First off, you're going to sign up on Suno AI. And what exactly is Suno AI? Well, Suno AI is an AI tool that is built for music, where you can cover any type of song in your own voice, create AI-generated songs with the help of artificial intelligence voices or your own voice clone. You can combine and blend voices together and convert one song into a genre of a different song as well. So you have all the capabilities that you can imagine of with Suno. Simply head on over into suno.com and sign up with your email address to get started. Once you sign up, you're going to click on Create on the left. Once you click on Create on the left, you're going to proceed. And what you're going to do is you have two options on your top left. You have simple and then you have custom. So you can create a simple song just by describing it. But if you want to change the voice of a pre-existing song, you're going to go into custom. Then you're going to click on audio and then upload that song. Or you can simply select your pre-existing songs. So I have created some songs in the past and I'm going to be selecting one of those songs over here. Let's say I want to go with this one. Let's hear what it sounds like.
Fly me to the sing with the stars.
So you guys can see this is just a narration of some really basic lyrics.
All the stars.
So let's take this song over here, which is the one called I Saw the Stars in Your Eyes Tonight. And I'm just going to select this song. Once you select a song by clicking on these three dots present on the right side of the song, you're going to click on over here and you're going to proceed with Remix and Edit. Once you go into Remix and Edit, you're going to go into Cover. And once you do that, you're going to select the portion of the song that you would like to cover. So you can choose to cover the entire song or bits or pieces of this song as well. I'm only going to go with the first 30 seconds of the song because I don't want to make this too late. Then from here, I'm going to proceed and then choose the styles that I want to use. So I'm going to remove the lyrics from here. So I'm going to delete them completely like so. And then I'm going to change this into male vocals. Instead of romantic, I'm going to make this a bit different. So we're going to go with heartfelt, not jazz. I'm going to go with punk. And I'm going to add rock instead of pop. So rock, guitar, drums. Once I do that, I can proceed and we're going to go into advanced options. We can select the gender, we can select weirdness, style influence, and audio influences. Then from here, we can name the song. I'm just going to name this song KA1. And then I'm going to click on create over here. And just like so, on the right side of my screen where it says my workspace, it's going to create two different variations from my original song where it is going to apply these changes. Now, if you want, you can even go with personas and build your own persona, but I just want to go with these variations and let's take a look at what they sound like. First, I'm going to play a small clip of the original song once more so you guys can hear it and then we can compare that to the song that it has created.
All the stars in your eyes tonight, shone like diamonds in the pale light.
So these were the two variations of our song. One did have the lyrics included and one created a purely instrumental version. That might be because I did leave this empty, the lyric section empty, for it to be converted into an instrumental. Now we can do pretty much the same thing for anything. So if I click on audio on the top left and I upload myself singing something and I want to convert that into a different sound, a different voice, I can do that as well. So I'm going to click on audio and then click on record to proceed with a small recording. Fly me to the moon, let me sing with the stars. I've just recorded this and I'm going to click on save. Then I'm going to click on cover and continue. Then I'm going to go into these styles and I want this to be a girly nursery rhyme. And I'm going to go into the lyrics and then I want it to be fly me to the moon, let me sing with the stars. And then I'm just going to go into create. And just like so, it's going to convert my original 6-second recording and then change that into a girly nursery rhyme. And you can obviously use some pre-existing songs. However, if those are copyrighted songs, then Suno AI is not going to let you use them. So do keep that in mind. And let's take a look at the new versions of our nursery rhyme. So just like so, you can proceed with creating your own songs. And the best part is that Suno AI is super affordable. You can get started with the Pro plan for only $10 and the Premier plan for only $30 a month. Now, remixing songs with Suno AI is really simple. And if you want to remix any of your pre-existing songs, or if you want to include a new melody, then whenever you go into your Create section, you can simply go into Audio and then upload your pre-existing song over here. So whatever your pre-existing song is, you're just going to add that over here like so. And then after you add your song, it's just going to process your song. And then from there, you can cover this, extend this. But I do recommend going and getting the studio version of Suno AI if you want to use it to its fullest capabilities. Another really important thing is that whenever you're remixing songs directly from Suno AI, so let's say I have this song over here, and what I want to do is I can go into remix and edit, and ideally it does recommend to open this in studio, for which you do need a monthly subscription. However, if you are not looking to use this in studio or in the editor, your covering features, your extension features, speed features, and style and lyric features are all available for free. So you're able to make your generalized edits and the basic edits directly from the free version. So if you only want to change the lyrics a bit, or if you only want to alter maybe the style of the song, then remixing this in a really simple fashion can be, pretty basic. So you don't necessarily have to use the pro version for remixing or adding a new flair to your pre-existing songs. One really nice way to extend your song is to simply place the extend option here wherever you want to extend your song from. Then you want to type in your lyrics, so you can add more lyrics. And even if these are not actually going to be extensions, let's say you're writing a alternative chorus, but you want to see what it sounds like blended in the song first, and then later on replace the original one, then you can add it as an extension. Once you hear it as an extension, then you can remix it and then remove the original one and then add the extended part into the placement where you want this part to actually be. You also have the ability to alter styles and advanced options, so you get some basic tools which are pretty simple. However, for premium tools, I do think that if you are going to be doing this professionally and you want to commercially use all of this amazing music that you are creating using Suno AI, then you definitely do need to take a look and subscribe to one of their premium plans. Now, what do their premium plans actually entail? Well, they have a pro plan and a premier plan. Their pro plan is $10 and their Premier is $30. On their Pro plan, you have access to priority queue, and you have the ability to upload 18 minutes of audio with standard and Pro features. Within your standard and Pro features specifically, you have advanced models, commercial rights, as well as co-writing with Suno, and you also have other advanced features like adding vocals, adding instrumentals, adding Inspire with magic song descriptions, as well as basic editing, advanced editings, and extracting stems, which is going to be something that is super useful for professional editors. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.